to see me, Chief Switchblade?
Yes, Carter, I have some bad news.
What's going on?
Your old nemesis, Captain Chainsaw, has resurfaced.
Chainsaw? I should have seen that coming. It was only a matter of time before he returned.
Yes, and this time he's back and more dangerous than ever. I'm afraid just you going isn't going to be enough. So I brought you some backup.
Who is it?
His name is Chuck Dagger. And he's gonna be your new partner in this mission.
Fine, as long as he stays out of my way.
How about you, maybe, can somebody give me my line?
Who is my ear? Oh, it's you guys.
Long time no see.
Yeah. I'm assuming you're here for equipment.
We are.
Well, I have just the thing for you. What's your name again?
Carter?
Carter! Right, Carter. I have the sword from Character's broadsword. Yes, that you used to defeat him with, and saving Christmas in the process. Merry Christmas. It may be beat up, but it's still quite specs quite.
Wow, can't believe you found this.
What about me, Doc? Are you just gonna leave me out? Yes. These, Chuck, are perfect for you. These will help the enemy predict what you will do. Oh, that's sick! So take these jetpacks. Yeah. And stop that menace.
We will, Doctor.
Now, let's fly.
All right, let's get that puck.
Not so fast.
Commander Dagger!
Long time no see.
I thought you died.
Whatever. Dead or alive, you're not stopping us.
That's where you're wrong.
Let's try these on for size. Don't you know a dagger's nothing to a katana? Don't you know it? Wait a minute. He's been a robot this whole time.
Soon, Carter and his little comrade will have fallen right into my trap. And then I shall have my revenge once and for all.
Well, that day will have to wait, Captain.
Ah, how predictable, Carter. Charging in with no plan.
What can I say? I prefer to take action. Imbecile. Give it up, Chainsaw. You're outnumbered.
Am I? Let me ask this, Carter. Do you not know who built that robot?
No, Cutlass. Can't believe he would help someone like you.
Well, let's just say he didn't do it willingly. He needed to be convinced.
What did you do to him?
What was necessary?
Chief, you're working with
Chainsaw?
Chainsaw?
That's right. I lured you both here to take you down. And they've been secretly flinched this whole time.
But why, Chief?
You're French?
Because soldiers like you are too unpredictable. Too uncontrollable. How long before you find the millions of dollars I've been hiding from the city? or the amount of bribes I've taken to let criminals roam free. James House robots are just what I need. They can't go against programming.
Too bad you had to go against the law.
Let's see what you're made of.
Oh, my super hot, really real muscles!
Let's finish this. Best St. Patrick's Day ever. What is this? What?
Didn't you know? A switchblade's nothing to a katana.
Didn't you want to use that line?
It's a sequel. We reuse a lot of things. Carter, come on.
She got my perfectly real abs.
It's over now. Come on, let's go home.
Vengeance!
Chuck, no, you can't die.
Carter, they never said this job would be an easy one. But you have to go on. For me, there's something bigger than us here. You have to find out. In the sequel.